The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid is set to deliver enhanced power and improved fuel efficiency compared to the standard model. As Toyota gears up for a significant update across the Corolla Cross lineup, this subcompact SUV aims to strengthen its position against competitors like the Subaru Crosstrek, Kia Seltos, and Ford Bronco Sport. Having debuted 4 years ago, the Corolla Cross is ready for a refresh. The Thai model recently showcased a new design, which may foreshadow updates for the US version. Anticipated changes include a revamped front grille with a honeycomb pattern and updated headlights. There could also be enhancements to the rear fascia and wheel designs to elevate its overall aesthetic. In terms of technology, upgrades are on the horizon. The Corolla Cross in Thailand now sports a larger 10.1-inch touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. These changes would be a significant improvement as the current screens feel smaller compared to competitors. While the powertrain is expected to remain unchanged, these aesthetic and technological enhancements could help the Corolla Cross maintain its competitiveness. The Corolla Cross Hybrid is distinguished by its impressive blend of power and efficiency. Standard all-wheel drive and a fully independent suspension contribute to a smooth ride and excellent body control, making it a comfortable option for daily driving. However, the braking system may feel soft, resulting in longer stopping distances. Toyota equips this SUV with advanced driver assistance features via the Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 system. Key elements include adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, automatic high beams, and a rear seat reminder for added safety and convenience. While the infotainment system is user-friendly, larger screens would enhance the overall experience. Interior materials remain basic, featuring hard plastics, and while rear legroom and cargo space are adequate, they don't lead the segment. Despite some drawbacks, the Corolla Cross Hybrid is an excellent option for those prioritizing fuel efficiency in a subcompact SUV. While many vehicles in this category compromise efficiency for affordability, Toyota successfully balances both. If premium materials aren't a priority and the soft brake pedal isn't a concern, this SUV offers practicality and reliability. Under the hood, the Corolla Cross Hybrid boasts a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine combined with an electric motor, generating 196 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard, and it achieves an estimated 45 miles per gallon in the city and 38 on the highway, with a driving range of around 445 miles. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just 7.4 seconds, making it sprightly for its class. Additionally, Toyota has introduced the Nightshade Edition trim for the 2025 model, featuring black painted wheels, darkened headlights and taillights, and sleek black accents. The interior offers a stylish black and red fabric with red contrast stitching, and it's expected to carry over into 2026. Safety remains paramount, with the 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrid likely to retain the Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite. The 2025 model received a 4-star rating for its front crash test, although other ratings are pending. Overall, the Corolla Cross Hybrid is a compelling choice for those seeking efficiency, technology, and reliability in a subcompact SUV. Thanks for watching.